Welcome back, Eco Warriors. Today I have something truly special for you. Let's start with a bit of inspiration. The Bible says in Genesis 1-29, "Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food." Isn't that beautiful? And Marilyn Monroe once said, "Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about." Now, let's brighten our homes and our planet with a DIY plant-based carpet cleaner that's non-toxic and effective. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Why these ingredients? White vinegar is a natural disinfectant. Water helps dilute the vinegar so it's gentle yet effective. Salt works as a gentle abrasive, lifting dirt, and essential oils add a fresh scent and extra cleaning power. Now, let's mix it up. Grab a spray bottle and pour in the white vinegar. Next, add the water. Then, sprinkle in the salt and drop in the essential oils. Give it a good shake to mix everything together. Alright, time to put this magic potion to work. Test it first on a small hidden area of your carpet to ensure there's no discoloration. Once you're good to go, spray the mixture generously on the stained areas. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, grab a clean cloth and blot the area. Don't rub. We don't want to push the stain deeper into the fibers. Just gently blot and watch the stain lift away. For tougher stains, you might need to repeat the process, but trust me, it's worth it. Not only are you saving money, but you're also avoiding the harsh chemicals found in commercial cleaners. Plus, this cleaner leaves your carpet smelling amazing, like a breath of fresh air. And there you have it, a simple, effective, and eco-friendly carpet cleaner you can whip up in minutes. Remember, every small step we take makes a big difference for our planet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Let's keep our homes clean and our earth green. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay green and stay happy.